In this video, I'm going to show you how to make animated videos using Canva. So you can do this using your mobile phone or even your laptop or desktop. So once you open your Canva, here's what you need to do. Just select on the video options, tap that one, and then tap the blank space to create new one. So in here, the first thing you need to do is select a background on your elements. Just tap that one and then select any background that you want. So mine, I'll be putting on playground background. So just go ahead and choose whatever backgrounds that you want. Just tap that one. In here, I'm just going to resize the picture. So once you're happy with it, go ahead and select on elements again under graphics, and I'll be choosing a tree. Once you're done, just go ahead and tap that one and resize the tree and put it whenever you want it to be. So mine, I'll be putting it here. So the next one, I'll be searching for walking man. Just go ahead and resize that one and put whenever you want it to be. And to be able to make this image move, just go on animate on the menu below and then select create. So here you just have to select and drag the element around the canvas to create your animation or movement. You can also edit the speed that you want. So once done, go ahead and select another animation. So me, I'll be choosing butterfly. Just scroll down and select the butterfly that you want and then resize the butterfly. And then to make the image move, I just go on the animate and then create and drag the pictures on where I want it to be, and I will reduce the speed. So once you're happy with it, just go and play that one to see the results, and you can add more. Just follow the same step that we just did earlier. So that's it. That's how to make animated videos using Canva. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.